Hey everybody, I found a really cool tool thanks to Pat. Uh, I had sent out a video on gender and there were some kind of nasty comments, and Pat was like, "Hey, this is great. I love the video, but the comments are not so good." So I went in search of a tool that allowed you to share a YouTube video without the comments shared. And that is what I'm going to tell you about. It's called safeyoutube.net. They work off of donations. So if you want to check it out, I'm going to take you there live and show you. If you don't want people to see comments on the video, that's all you have to do is go there and plug in the link. And thanks to Pat for this suggestion. This is a screenshot. You'll notice that what you do is paste your YouTube link right here and you'll generate a new link. So let me take you over to this live. And I have here's a link from one of my videos that I'm going to copy right here. I'm going to go back to safe link. I'll paste my YouTube video in there. And all I have to do is click generate link and it'll generate a safe link that I can copy right there that will share my video, but it won't share the comments. So here's what it would look like using this link. One of my most recent ones, and you'll notice there are no comments on there. So good to have, good tool to have. This is something that I was glad to find because not so much with my social media links, but my doing gender neutral language and anything to do with gender non-binary and transgender, my newsletters for that have been getting some comments that people don't really need to see or want to see. So hope this helped you out and hope you can use this for some of the things that you are creating that you might want to be able to have people not see those videos. So let me take you back to show you how to get a hold of me, and also what I am doing now. I am helping more people with Constant Contact. That was nothing I was doing, but since I can't do live training sessions or speaking, I've added this. I've been helping a couple folks get their email newsletters going. So if you need help with that, just shoot me an email to sroth@shellyroth.com, and we'll see you next time. Stay safe.